This is Shauna C.
But I'm a transgender.
And this is Shania. And we got Coca-Cola. And Dr. Perkins. And we are going to have a burping contest.
What?
She gonna beat me, dude, because she burped loudly. Oh, and this is my baby mama, Yuri.
Oh my God.
She's watching Phineas and Ferb.
Your hands in the way. And it's, oh, yeah, that's me. What? Okay.
Oh, shit. Great. Give me the first one first.
Honestly, I miss high school. You're not gonna shut up.
My bird was little. Go. Go.
Huh.
My bird was little.
Let us know, let us know, let us know.
Oh, my boobs are big, dude. Look, my boobs are big, man.
Men ain't big. Why they not getting big?
Why am I getting big what?
My bird.
I don't know. I have a cat.
We're slowly dying. When my dear is still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it so, let it so, let it so. Oh my God. I was so ugly world.
Hold on. I think I got one.
Huh? Fun run. Alright.
Hold on.
Say bye. Burp, Yuri, do it. Go, Yuri, go. Burp. Go. One burp. One burp.
Do it. Shake it. Hold on.
One burp.
I'll say it.
One burp.
Anybody plan on getting some more of my drinks?
One burp. One burp.
If I had one burp to tell you, girl.